Hello, can you listen to me?
Hello, hello. Yes, Hassan, can you listen to me?
Okay, so when we talk about reason, so now the answer of this question is we bought cake for, thank you. Now the reason, why is talking about the reason, and the reason we have given that this is the reason. Why did we purchase, why did we buy that cake? We bought the cake because it was the birth date of Mr. Aslam. Okay, so whenever we talk about the word why, so why is a word which is asking question, and whenever we talk about the asking question, beta, this is unit number 3, okay, and this is grammar club book exercise number 3 on page number 21, unit number 3, okay. So going with another example, let's suppose, why are you standing in the classroom? Why? Let me write this. Why are you? Why are you standing in the classroom? So, when you talk about the word why, so now you need to answer that question. How would you answer that question, sir? I am the monitor of the classroom in the absence page number 21. Okay, I am the monitor of the classroom in the absence of teacher. So this may be the reason of your word why. I hope that you have understood this, that when we talk about the reason, so the reason of the word why, it is this, that I am the prefect, I am the monitor of the classroom in the absence of the teacher. Maybe the teacher is not here, that is why I'm standing here. So this may be the answer of the word why. So in unit number 3, we look at how to use why to ask about the reason for something. Okay, and we also look at uh, how to answer why question, okay, using because or using to. You can answer this question because I am the monitor of the classroom, or because the teacher is not in the classroom. So you may answer this as well, okay. Going another thing, why did you go to the baker's? I asked you one question, you told me the reason, that sir, we went to buy cake for Aslam. Another question I asked to you, that why did you buy cake for Aslam? So you answered that, sir, because it is the birthday, or it was the birthday of Mr. Aslam. So we bought a cake for him. Okay. I asked you another question, that why are you standing in the classroom? So you answered me that, sir, because the teacher is not present in the classroom and I am the monitor of the classroom. That's why I'm standing to look after the class. So my dear students, this is this is the okay, this is the explanation of the word why. Now, going to chapter number 3's exercise number 1, after clearing all these things, okay? The question is question number A. The question is, change these statements into why questions. Into why questions. Okay. Now the first statement is you are late. Number one. Let's suppose the sentence is you are late. So what would be the answer of this? The answer would be why are you late? Why are you late? Okay, this may be the answer. Why are you late? Point number two. Uncle Ali and Aunt or Auntie Saba are here. Now, what should be the question of this statement? Why are Uncle Ali and Auntie Saba here? Why? This may be the answer of statement number two. I hope you are understanding this. Going to the third one, the third statement. What is the third statement? Mr. or Mrs. Sorry, Mrs. Nasser is angry. Mrs. Nasser is angry. So how would you answer that? Why is Mrs. Nasser angry? ओके, हसन अली मुझे पता है ये आप कर रहे हैं, प्लीज. ओके, मिसेस नासिर इज एंग्री. इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? व्हाई इज मिसेस नासिर एंग्री? गोइंग टू द फोर्थ वन. दिस विंडो इज ओपन. दिस विंडो इज ओपन. Achhi, this is the statement, and if you want to answer that question with the word why, then the answer why is this window, why is this window open? Let me see what is the message around. Okay, no problem, Hassan. तो बेटा ये आपके पास जो है पेज नंबर 22 पे एक्सरसाइज नंबर ए है. एक्सरसाइज नंबर ए में आपसे ये कहा जा रहा है कि स्टेटमेंट दिए हुए हैं और इन स्टेटमेंट्स को आप चेंज करेंगे और अपनी तरफ से क्या करना है, उसमें वाई वाले सेंटेंसेस बनाने. तो पहला सेंटेंस आपके पास उन्होंने दिखा हुआ है, लिखा हुआ है, आपके पास दिखाया हुआ है, यू आर लेट. अब यू आर लेट एक स्टेटमेंट है और इसमें आपको चेंज करके वाई वाला एक सेंटेंस लिखना है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इजी. आप कहेंगे वाई आर यू लेट. इन द सेम वे आपके पास जो है सेकंड स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है. द सेकंड स्टेटमेंट सेज टू यू दैट अंकल एंड आंटी, अंकल अली एंड आंटी सबा आर हियर. तो अंकल और आंटी दोनों के बारे में बताया हुआ है, तो आपने इसको क्वेश्चन बना दिया, व्हाई आर अंकल अली एंड आंटी सबा हियर. In the same way, in the third question, they are saying you the statement. The statement is written here. वो statement क्या है? Mrs. Nasir is angry. ठीक है. अब Mrs. Nasir is angry. The answer should be why is Mrs. Nasir? Why? Why is Mrs. Nasir angry? Why is Mrs. Nasir angry? In the same way, going to the next, the fourth sentence, this window is open. ओके, तो आप इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं. आंसर क्या हो सकता है कि why is this window, why is this window open? So I hope that you have understood exercise number A. Please go to the text box and answer me if you have understood this chapter number A and the concept of why or not. आपको समझ में आया है या नहीं आया? Yes, beta. Ahsan and Umar, have you understood this? Okay, beta. Okay, beta. Thank you. Now, this is the end of chapter number A, question number A, exercise number A. Now going to exercise number B after clearing all these things, okay? Number 2 or exercise number B, it says that write do or does. Do or does. Write do or does. Okay? Now going to the first sentence. What is the sentence? Every sentence will be started with the word why. Okay, and after that there will be a blank, and then the other remaining sentence will be written. Now the sentence is why dash wear firemen wear helmets. Point number 2, again the sentence will start with the word why, and then there will be one blank. Okay, then the question is Samina live with her with her grandparents. Point number 3 we have why, then there is a blank. ये जो blank खाली है उसमें आपको do लगाना है या does लगाना है, and it is very easy to understand. I will be asking you, if you people know, then answer it is okay. Why dash dog bark when people ring the doorbell? Going to the fourth one, why dash you like banana sandwiches? Okay, now these are the 4 sentences, and now we are going to understand these 4 sentences with the word, with the help of our understanding. Okay, now see this. The first sentence, in the first sentence, as I have told you that you need to write either do or either does. These are the 2 words. Okay, one of them will be used, one of them will be used. किसी भी एक सेंटेंस में या तो डू आएगा या डज आएगा. ओके, यू नीड टू सी कि वहां पर क्या लिखना है. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज देयर व्हाई डैश फायरमैन वेयर हेलमेट्स. अब यहाँ पर हमें क्या लिखना है, डू लिखना है या डज लिखना है? यू नीड टू थिंक अबाउट दिस. आंसर है या does आंसर। आंसर है why do firemen wear helmets। अब आप मुझसे सवाल पूछेंगे कि सर यहाँ पर आपने does क्यों नहीं लगाया, why have you not put does here and why have you put here do, what is the reason? The reason is fireman एक स्पेलिंग ये है, ओके, और एक और स्पेलिंग है फायरमैन। is talking about, and when we talk about many men, अभी हम फायरमैन की जो बात कर रहे हैं, एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट मैनी पीपल, सो हम वहां पर डू लगा, एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट सिंगल टाइप ऑफ पर्सन, तो वहां पर हम क्या लगा, the reason of putting this, the reason of putting the reason of putting do with the word fireman, it is because the fireman talks about many people. And when we talk about many people, so at that time we use, what do we use? We use, okay. In the same way, going to the second one, why did Samina live with her grandfather or grandparents? So it is very easy. When we talk about Samina, Samina जो है वो सिंगल नाम है, और सिंगल नाम के साथ अभी मैंने बताया कि when we talk about single noun, so with the single thing we will be using the word does. So according to our comprehension, according to our knowledge, we will be writing here does. And this is the answer. Why? In the same way, यहाँ पर भी this dog, singular noun. And when we talk about the singular noun, so we use does. Okay, going to the last one. When we talk about the word you, so you के साथ हम does लगाते हैं या do लगाते हैं. So our mind says to us that we use. The answer of the point number 4, that will be do. Why do you like banana sandwiches? So my dear student, I hope कि आपको ये भी समझ में आ गया होगा. Whenever we want to talk about do or does, so do is always used when the nouns are plural, and when we talk about the singular noun, so it is followed with the helping verb does. ओके बेटा, आपको समझ में आया या नहीं आया? आप जरा हाथ खड़ा करके मुझे बता दें या फिर यहाँ कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दें, so that I may proceed. Okay, in the meantime, यही वाला लेक्चर अभी मैं जो है कुछ देर के बाद आपके गूगल क्लासरूम में लगा दूंगा, एंड यस थैंक यू। और आप जो है जो एब्सेंट है यहाँ लेक्चर में नहीं है बच्चे, आप उन तक ये लेक्चर पहुंचा दीजिएगा। थर्डली, आपको मैं होमवर्क भी दे रहा हूँ कि आप अपनी जो है बुक के अंदर, ग्रामर क्लब बुक के अंदर जो है एक्सरसाइज नंबर ए और बी जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है वो, और इन द सेम वे एक्सरसाइज नंबर सी एंड एक्सरसाइज नंबर डी, इसको जो है वो घर से करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा अपनी कॉपी के अंदर, सॉरी अपनी बुक के अंदर। एंड इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल बी okay, we will be proceeding to our next exercises. I hope you have understood all these things. Hassan Ali raise hand. Yes beta Hassan, क्या हुआ? Hassan Ali, yes beta Hassan, yes beta, yes बेटा हसन, बुक में करना है, कॉपी में नहीं करना। ये आपके पास ग्रामर क्लब की बुक है, उस बुक के अंदर आप इस एक्सरसाइज को करेंगे। अभी के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं। जज़ाकुमुल्लाह खैर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।